Welcome back, everyone. You're watching ITMaster, where we make tech simple. Today, we're talking about how AI video generation with Veo 3 is coming into YouTube Shorts, and how beginners like you can start exploring it. Step 1. What is Veo 3? Veo 3 is Google's latest AI video model. You just type what you want, and it creates high-quality, cinematic videos in seconds. Think of it like ChatGPT, but instead of text, it gives you moving video clips. Step 2. Why YouTube Shorts? Shorts are exploding in popularity. With Veo 3, you don't need a camera or editing software. You can create fast, engaging, vertical videos directly with AI. Perfect for beginners who want to publish content quickly. Step 3. Possible formats you can try. Here are some easy ways beginners can use AI videos in Shorts. Explainer Shorts, teach something in under 60 seconds using AI-generated visuals. Product Showcases, show off a product idea or design without filming it. Storytelling, create mini-stories or skits with AI-generated scenes. Music Shorts, add AI visuals to music or sound trends. Trendy Memes, react to trends fast by generating scenes that match the joke. Step 4. The future of AI in Shorts. This is just the beginning. AI tools like Veo 3 will make it easier for anyone to be creative. You won't need a big studio setup, just an idea and a prompt. So that's how Veo 3 and AI video generation are making their way into YouTube Shorts. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to ITMaster for more tech tutorials and AI tips. See you in the next one.